Now, example number 4. A current of 0.24 ampere flows through a conductor when a potential difference of 24 volt is applied between its two ends. What is its resistance? So here we will write first of all given things. V is equal to, that is potential difference is equal to 24 volt. Current I is equal to 0.24 ampere. Therefore R is equal to V upon I. This is according to Ohm's law, because according to Ohm's law we know V is equal to I into R. Therefore here we have to calculate resistance. So resistance formula will be R is equal to V upon I. Therefore we will put values. R is equal to 24 upon 0.24. So that is equal to 24 means here that is in volt, means potential difference, and here this current is there, that is in ampere. So here we will multiply numerator and denominator by 100. Why we have to multiply here? Because here to denominator there is a decimal point, and for division we have to remove this decimal point. Then only we can divide numerator and denominator. So therefore after multiplication by 100 to numerator and denominator, it becomes R is equal to 24 into 100 upon 0.24 into 100. So after multiplying this 100, we get 2400, that is 24 into 100 means 2400 upon, after multiplying 100 this 0.24 will become 24. Now here we will directly divide this 2400 by 24, that is 24 ones are 24. So answer will be 100 ohm, that is resistance. So therefore in word we can write the resistance of the conductor is 100 ohm. Now next example we will see. Determine the current that will flow when a potential difference of 33 volt is applied between two ends of an appliance having a resistance of 110 ohm. If the same current is to flow through an appliance having a resistance of 500 ohm, how much potential difference should be applied across its two ends? Now here first of all we will write given things, that is V is equal to 33 volt and R1 is equal to 110 ohm. R2 is there, that is 500 ohm. So when R1 is equal to 110 ohm, then current I1 is equal to V upon R1. This is again with the help of Ohm's law only, because V is equal to IR, and here R1 is there, two resistance are there, R1 and R2. So here respective current for that resistance will be I1. So V upon R1, that is equal to 33 upon 110. So here this division we can do in working column, that is 110 divided by 33, it will be, that is 110 into 33 means divided by 33. That we cannot divide directly, that's why here 0 point, then here we will put 1 0, it will be 0.3 it will come, and therefore current I1 is equal to 0.3 ampere. Now when resistance R2 is equal to 500 ohm, then I1 is equal to 0.3 ampere. But here we have to calculate potential difference. So V is equal to, that is potential difference is equal to current into resistance. So here current will be 0.3 into 500 resistance. So therefore V is equal to 150 volt. Therefore the required potential difference between its two ends is equal to 150 volt.